In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make someone co-host on Zoom meeting. This is a simple but powerful way to share responsibilities during a call, whether you're running a class, a webinar, or a team meeting. A co-host can help manage participants, keep the chat organized, and handle technical tasks so you can focus on presenting. First, open the Zoom app on your computer or mobile device and sign into the account that scheduled the meeting. This matters because only the meeting host can assign co-hosts. If you're not the host, you won't see the option. Make sure you're using a recent version of the app so all the controls appear as expected. Next, start your meeting. You'll know you're the host if you can see the meeting controls along the bottom or top of your screen, depending on your device. Wait for the person you want to promote to join the meeting. You can only make someone a co-host once they're in the session. If you don't see your controls, move your mouse or tap the screen to bring them up. Now open the participants panel, click